Okay, Audrey. What are you grateful for this year?
Grateful for all the parents sacrificing their day, sitting at the counter and taking care of the kids.
Oh, this is very nice of you.
Hello, I'm Arisa. I'm grateful for all the friends I have are kind to me. And I'm also grateful for that my family is healthy. I'm thankful for mommy job so everybody can have all the money that they want. They buy everything that they want. The end. Hi, I'm Ira. I am grateful for everything I have, my school and my toys.
Toys?
I am grateful for my mother and father. I look forward to the VR game Beat Saber.
It's nice.
I wish that I will win a lot of competitions next year. And also, I want to make new friends. I wish for next year that mommy job to have more money so can buy all the toys, the Samsung toys and Toys R Us. The end. I wish for more toys and more vacation. I wish that my family is safe from everything that doesn't like them, and they will stay healthy and strong, and that will be the same for me as also. And I also wish that we could get actual presents from Santa Claus.
What you looking forward? Date with Mama?
Next year I hope that I don't get COVID.